Musamseleku and his two wives, Mayeni and Macele, they are married in community of property. They sign in court. If Musamseleku he passed away, Mayeni and Macele are only wives who are benefiting on Musamseleku's property. Musamseleku had his first wedding with Macele. They signed in community of property, the two of them. Musamseleku told Macele that he want to have Istanbul polygamy, but you are the only wife who is going to benefit. He does not know that one day they are going to be together with Mayeni. So Musamseleku decided to have a white wedding with Mayeni on 2009. Musamseleku told Macele again to go back to the court to cancel the wedding. He want to add another wife. So Musamseleku add Mayeni. So the two of them, Mayeni and Macele, are only wives who are going to benefit. Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are not going to benefit anyway. Musamseleku had umembeso with Makumalo, but they didn't sign anyway in court with Musamseleku like Mayeni. Musamseleku doesn't have any wedding with Mangwabe because Mangwabe, she was keeping asking about umembeso. Musamseleku was telling Mangwabe that you don't listen to me. I don't want to have umembeso. Now what? That's why Mangwabe, she is giving up. She doesn't want to have any wedding with Musamseleku. So Makumalo and Mangwabe, they opened their eyes and saw that all the time Musamseleku was using them. Musamseleku told Macele that other wives I'm marrying them because I want to have kids with them. It looks like Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are like slave. The way he is doing to Makwela, that if you want more money, you can have kids. Musamseleku told Makwela that your job is to have kids in his family. It's the way Makumalo and Mangwabe. That's why you saw now Makumalo, she doesn't want to involve Musamseleku on his properties because Makumalo opened her eyes even to have that members on 2000 on season 7 about 2023. Makumalo and Musamseleku. Makumalo was keeping forcing, guys. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they supposed to have their wedding on season 4 on 2018 or 2019, but Macele cancelled that wedding because Musamseleku doesn't want to have a wedding with Makumalo. Even on season 7, Makumalo was forcing because she using her own money. Makumalo was the one who was buying the decor, everything. Musamseleku didn't contribute his money on their members, and he doesn't allow Makumalo to go to sign. So all those things, that's why Makumalo, she is yet. Makumalo can't come to explain the whole thing. That's why on season 9, we saw Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are telling Musamseleku that you are consider your wife as Macele. We are not your wives, we are your slaves. Yes, they are right. Musamseleku, you have to stop complaining about Makumalo's business. Why Makumalo, she stopped contribute her money on his family to help him, because Makumalo all the times she was thinking that they are family, but Makumalo saw that Musamseleku was using her all the times. People who are going to benefit if Makumalo, she involve Musamseleku on her businesses, so Musamseleku is going to involve his whole family and it become a problem. Why? What Makumalo, she is benefiting to be with him. Makumalo calculate all those things. That's why you saw nowadays she is doing her own things without involving Musamseleku's name. That's why Makumalo decided to buy her own house, because tomorrow, if he passed away, when Musamseleku sign in community of property with his wives, so Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are going to be chased in Muzumbe with his two wives, Mayeni and Macele, because are only wives who are going to share Musamseleku's properties. Guys, there is a lot Musamseleku, he is using those women, Mangwabe and Makumalo. That's why Mangwabe, she doesn't want. She is losing interest on Musamseleku. And Musamseleku want to have a wedding. Mangwabe says, no, I can't have any wedding with you because she is tired.